Watch out, Ginger.
This is bad. This is not how he does it.
Ah. Can someone hold my flashlight?
Okay, you videotape this for your mama will.
I got it.
Flashlight.
I think you want a little bit more.
Oh, let's hope Ginger's on the gas.
Just, yeah, make sure you don't get any on you.
Ooh, now it's coming.
There. I see right where it stopped. Turn it on, Miranda. It's right in front of the stick. 4 feet ahead of you. You're not up to it yet. You must. I can do it. I can see it. Yeah. Get the video? Everybody get the video?
Yep.
Still videotaping? And now we get the hose.
Yeah, that grass is just on fire now.
Oh, man.
First fire in a